Here at Wise Agent, we are proud of our strategic partnerships with other top technology companies. We understand that there are many technology systems real estate professionals use for their success, and anytime it makes sense, we want agents to be able to access and use other technology in one place. Our integration with Ylopo allows you to do just that. With Ylopo's next-gen technology, real estate brokers, agents, and teams are able to grow and manage their business through an all-in-one digital hub, making it a seamless process to generate new customers, nurture their existing prospects, and manage their team while building their brand. The integration between Wise Agent and Ylopo allows you to connect your Ylopo leads to flow automatically into your Wise Agent contact list. Team leads and brokers will be able to easily distribute leads amongst their inside and outside team members within Wise Agent. Members will be able to track IDX search activity for a specific lead in the contact notes section of their CRM. Let's see how this integration between Ylopo and Wise Agent works.
To activate this integration, you'll need to collect your Wise Agent API key as well as your username and password. To find your Wise Agent API key, click on the Integrations drop-down menu and then Settings. This will take you to the main integrations page where you can click on the Wise Agent Integrations header to copy your unique API key. Once you've copied your API key, you'll also need to go to your Wise Agent profile page to get your username and password. From your profile page, you'll see your username up at the top. You'll need to copy this information, and then you'll need to send that to your Ylopo representative. Now that the integration has been activated, you'll need to set up your lead rules from the Contacts drop-down menu and then on the Lead Rules tab. From here, you'll create a new lead for your Ylopo source. If you're working in a team, you'll want to make sure that you set up your lead distribution filters to send your leads to the correct team member based on day of the week, by zip code, or by price range. Now that the integration has been activated and you have your lead rules set up, when a lead comes across your Ylopo website and searches for properties within a specific area, they'll be able to view any of the available listings. When they view the listings that you have available, they can click on a specific listing and request a showing or even more information. They can also choose to save this property under their favorites. When a lead inquires on a property from within your Ylopo website, that lead will automatically be added into your Wise Agent contact list. From your Wise Agent contact list, you'll be able to see your leads and the sources that they came in from. When you click on a lead specific name, this will redirect you to the contact summary page. From within your contact summary page, you'll be able to see the source that your lead came in from. You'll also be able to view and edit their status, which will also update their status within your Ylopo Stars dashboard. On the contact summary page, you'll also be able to see all the categories that have been pushed over from Ylopo. If you have a lead assigned to an inside team member or an outside team member, this information will be pushed over to Ylopo, so Ylopo's AI assistant Raya will be able to personalize your text messages. Scrolling down on the contact summary page, we have the contact notes. Here, you'll be able to view any activity that you've made with this lead from within your Wise Agent account as well as within your Ylopo. All interactions with Raya will be tracked within the contact notes. Anytime a lead requests a showing, or views or likes a property will also be viewable on your contact notes. Within your Wise Agent account, you'll also be able to view your web activity for your Ylopo leads. Under your Report section on the Home drop-down menu, click on Web Activity. From here, you'll be able to view your monthly web activity report. This will show you your lead's name, the domains they visit, as well as the pages and the total number of visits. Going back to your contact notes, there will also be a unique URL for you to access your Ylopo Stars dashboard. Once you're in your Ylopo Stars dashboard, you'll be able to view your lead information as well as your lead details. The lead details will be updated based on the information that you change in Wise Agent. You'll also be able to view your listing alerts and saved searches. Within your Ylopo Stars dashboard, you'll also have access to your Agent Toolkit. From within your agent toolkit, you can start any text or email marketing for your specific lead that you're viewing.
Thanks for watching. If you have any further questions about our integration with Ylopo or any of our Wise Agent features, please feel free to give us a call at 480-836-0345.